In this episode we work on the farm, the roadworks and the heritage village. Well, it started off looking like that and now it looks like that. Well, the cows, there's only two of them so far, are enjoying their meadow, at the end of which there's a little copse. The roadworks continue, and like all roadworks they cause traffic hold-ups with temporary traffic lights, and the farmers' cottages have got their cobbled area in front. And like everywhere else that I've been working, the one thing that's missing are people, but I'm going to wait until I've got a lot more of the work done and then I start populating the area. For the moment I'm going to turn my efforts elsewhere. Well, I still haven't decided what to do with that back wall there. So until I've decided that, I'm going to have a go at the Heritage Railway Station area. So I've got platforms to put in along here, and then the station building, I think I'll probably use that one, and then sort out this little parade of shops. And over here we're going to have a tramway museum, so we'll make a start on that and see how far we get. Now the first thing to do is clear the deck, so we'll get that done. And that's that done. Now I don't quite know what I'm going to use to build the platforms at the moment, but Mandy's stepfather was also a model railwayer, and he sold his last layout, but he gave me this box of all sorts of bits, and included in there was this. There's some deck, or I can use that for the top of the platform, and then there's also some platform making bits in here. I'll use those. And there's the first platform in. I've got to touch up alongside that edge there where it's white, but included in the box was some of this, which is a platform self-adhesive platform edging strips. So we'll get that on and it will look more finished. I've just noticed some of the self-adhesiveness has been lost, so I'm going to use a little bit of Pritt just there, and I think I might have to do that in other places as well. There we are. I've got another platform to put in here, and I haven't got any more of the boarding, so I'll have to paint that one. But there, I've got plenty of the brickwork stuff down here. So anyway, that's coming on now, and then I can turn my attention to the village itself, get some cobbled road down. I think I'm going to use cobbles. That would look good. On my old layout I had a high level railway, and this was one of the platforms that I made for it, and I'm going to see if I can make a few adjustments and use it as a platform there. It's going to take a bit of alteration, but we'll see what we can do with it. And there's the other platform in place, and that's made actually out of lollipop sticks. I bought a packet of those years ago, and they've come in quite useful. That's the station more or less sorted. Obviously got to balance the tracks and put some fencing up along here. But I'm going to turn my attention now to the village itself and see what I'm going to do about that. I think what I might do is raise these up to this level, same as this level here, and then it will have to be a pedestrian only area along here because it's going to be very narrow, and then the road to those shop fronts over the back there. So I go and see if I can find some wood to do that. Well, I found the piece of wood I wanted there, and I've cut it to shape, and it actually is a part of my old control panel off my old layout, but now I've got to get that glued down onto the bearers, so I'll get some weight on that. Well, that should go off fairly quickly, and then I get the painted up and the buildings on. Well, I think that's about it for this video. The little heritage town is coming on. Can do cobbled streets and cobbled walk areas. And then I said before that I don't like roads that end up going nowhere, and so the entrance to this area will be in a tunnel underneath there, and that tunnel goes right underneath the mountain and out the other side. That's all for me this time, so I'll say cheers to you with a vodka mac. But I've got to go and cook myself a meal because Mandy is up in Scotland with her friends and her stepsister in their little camper vans. So I've got to go and cook. Bye. Cheers. Mmm.